What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to enable automatic ads, so automatics Google AdSense ads placement into your website or into any website that you own, okay? In a simple, fast and effective method, okay? This is a feature that Google's applied some years ago, but still too low sites use because it's quite annoying, but when properly enabled it can help a lot. And of course increase your profits. So before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics, okay? So the very first thing to do it's go to Google and type Google AdSense, okay? We're gonna click into this very first link. Gonna move us to this page. We're gonna need to sign in, okay? And you're gonna be into this account. This is my old AdSense account that I'm not using much any longer, but it's already up and linked to our website. So what I have to do right here, review the left sidebar of menus and go to ads, okay? Right here on ads. And here you can see the ad blocks, okay? The guidelines. But let's review all the websites into the bottom of this page, and we have visualmodo.com, and as you can see, auto ads it's set as off. So how to enable this? Can you see this pencil icon right here into the right sidebar, right bottom? Click on it. This is gonna loads up the site, okay? Let me load it on the. Take a moment to Google to load the site. No need to worry. Here's the site. Let me load into the laptop view. Here we go. And from the right sidebar now, we can switch auto ads and set as on, okay? Simple as it is. And how this gonna happen? Google gonna auto place ads into this website, into the places that they think it's good for the Google ads, okay? I think that they say there is space, so it changes according to your site layout. But if you have a blog or a simpler website without so many landing pages like mine for my example website, you're gonna be able to increase your profits a lot using this. And what to do else? We can optimize your existing ad units in the case that you want, okay? And ad loads, we have ad formats, okay? We have multiple ads, in-page ads, anchor ads. We can enable or disable any kind of ad you want. The ad loads, okay, we can do the minimum or maximum of the ads, okay, so the number of ads, and we can manage some pages to exclude the ads. Imagine that you have, for example, an account page on your site that you do not want to have ads placed. You can place this page right here, okay, so click on add exception, enter the URL and save, okay, to add. After this, all we have to do is click into this blue button right here, apply to site. After this, your site gonna display ad blocks automatically, okay? So you have no need to go to the code, enter the ads and do again and again and again, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our plugin for free, the Borderless, to gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg in the case that you are using WordPress, okay? And once again, in the case that you are using WordPress, go to our WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Enzu WordPress theme, click on install and activate it. It's the best free WordPress theme that you can download, with even pre-built websites that you can import with a single click for free. Moreover, in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Plus that includes Enzu Pro and Borderless Pro licenses, and go premium in order to unlock access to our template library, support, premium icons, premium widgets, premium blocks, and many more features to build up your site faster. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and come back tomorrow for more, and I see you later. All the best!